Today, we are going to explore a beautiful European country where over 16,000 Pakistanis are enjoying their lives. We will discuss how 30,000 people died here unexpectedly, how this country maintained control over the Indian city of Goa, and what makes it so beautiful. We'll also delve into the lives of its people. We will share all this and many other interesting facts with you. So, today, we are traveling to Portugal. Please watch the video until the end, and to all our new viewers, we request you to subscribe to our channel, Clockwork. Now, let's begin the video. Portugal, officially known as the Portuguese Republic, is one of Europe's oldest nations. This land has been continuously inhabited since prehistoric times. It was first settled by the Celtic and Iberian tribes. It also had close trade and cultural ties with civilizations like the Phoenicians, Greeks, and Romans. In 1755, one of the deadliest earthquakes in world history struck the city of Lisbon. This single event killed about 60,000 people in Lisbon and destroyed over 12,000 homes and major buildings. The reason for such a high death toll was that November 1st is a special day for the Portuguese, called All Saints' Day. On that day, millions of people were gathered in churches. The churches could not withstand the earthquake and collapsed on top of the people, causing a massive increase in the death count. The earthquake's magnitude was so great that it caused a tsunami with waves as high as 20 feet in Lisbon. These terrifying waves traveled 3,790 miles in just 10 hours. The sea level rose 13 feet above its normal level. In the wake of the earthquake and tsunami, Lisbon suffered immense damage, and thousands of people lost their lives. A few days after these two disasters, a massive fire also broke out in the city. Although it didn't cause any deaths, the financial losses were immense. These events were among the worst disasters in European history. Portugal has a total area of 92,225 square kilometers, with 1.2% of its area being water. It is the 109th largest country in the world by area. It has a population of about 10.6 million people. Of this total population, 92% are Portuguese, and the remaining 8% are people from other nations who have come to live or work here. The capital of Portugal and its most beautiful city is Lisbon, which is also the largest city in the country. It is an extremely beautiful city and a favorite among tourists. It has a total area of 100.05 square kilometers and a population of 5.5 million people. It is the 11th most populated European city after Madrid and Barcelona. The city is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean, and a beautiful river, the Tagus River, runs through its middle. Lisbon holds a special place in international fashion, media, entertainment, arts, and politics. It also has one of the largest ports in Europe and is considered a major center for international funds and loans. The city is a major hub for cruises, with over 5 million people taking part in cruise-related activities every year. This city has 17 train stations and is home to some of the world's biggest billionaires. It is the 11th richest city in Europe in terms of the wealth of its residents. Lisbon is also the home of many international companies and has embassies from 86 countries. It is one of the oldest cities in the world and has countless beautiful places to visit. Portugal is a European country with a non-Muslim population. Alcohol, beer, and wine are very common here. People consume more alcohol than water. Halal food is hard to find, but non-halal food, especially pork, is readily available everywhere. Pork is used in everything from common dishes to fast food. This country is also a major exporter of pork. The people here are very open-minded. The women wear revealing clothes, which is a normal part of their lifestyle. The dance bars and pubs stay open all night, and people enjoy themselves immensely. The beaches are extremely beautiful, and the promenades along the coast are a favorite spot for people to walk and enjoy life. Portugal is very clean, and you can be fined heavily for littering. Interestingly, fines here, whether for littering or driving, are based on your income. If you are financially strong, the fine will be high, but if you are not, it will be normal. Portugal has the oldest university in Europe, which was built in 1290 and still exists today. This university, called the University of Coimbra, is the only one in the world where Portuguese is spoken. Portugal also has the most terrifying pedestrian bridge in the world, which is built between two mountains. The bridge, named the Aruca Bridge, is 516 meters long. Tourists flock to cross it. In terms of technology, Portugal is far ahead of many other European countries. You will find beautifully designed, ancient buildings covered with colorful tiles, which are a part of the country's old heritage. The average life expectancy for men is 78 years, and for women, it is 85 years. Did you know that after India gained its independence, the city of Goa was still under Portuguese rule? The Portuguese refused to leave. Finally, in 1961, the Indian government launched a military operation against them. The Indian Navy and Army were part of this operation. At that time, the Portuguese were led by Antonio de Oliveira Salazar. The Portuguese had to surrender after 36 hours of continuous operation. Portugal also has the longest bridge in Europe, named the Vasco da Gama Bridge. It is an extremely beautiful bridge. The Portuguese are very cooperative with foreign tourists. They are cheerful and have a friendly nature. The people here are very social. Relationships are common, and people enjoy their lives without getting married. Portugal celebrates its national day on June 10th, called Portugal Day. The whole country celebrates with fireworks and events. The currency used in Portugal is the euro. It is a developed country with a strong economy. It also has the 14th largest gold reserve in the world and the 8th largest proven lithium reserves. Portugal is 4 hours behind Pakistan and 4.5 hours behind India. It only shares a land border with Spain, while its sea borders are with Spain and Morocco. The calling code is +351, and the internet domain is .pt. The official language is Portuguese. Other languages widely spoken are English and Spanish. The country has an excellent network of roads and a great transport system with cars, taxis, and buses. The tourism industry is the biggest contributor to the country's economy. Millions of people visit every year, which strengthens the economy. The Portuguese love to go out to restaurants. Every evening, restaurants and cafes are full of people enjoying their time with family and friends. The weddings here are celebrated in the European style, keeping their religion, Christianity, in mind. Delicious food is served to guests, and they dance in the Portuguese style. The education system in Portugal is excellent, with a literacy rate of 99%. Did you know that one of the best football players in the world, Cristiano Ronaldo, is also from Portugal? He was born here. There is also a small number of Pakistanis living in Portugal, about 16,300. They work hard here and earn a good living for their families. May Allah protect them all. If we look at the history of Portugal, in 868 AD, it gained complete freedom from all old powers. A formal monarchy was established. In 1143, with the Treaty of Zamora, Portugal established its monarchy. From 1143 to today, no other country has been able to conquer it. However, in the 1700s, during the Napoleonic Wars, a few parts of the country were occupied, but they were later liberated. This country has made countless discoveries. In the 15th and 16th centuries, Portugal established the world's longest-lasting maritime and commercial empire, which is still an important economic and political power today. In the late 16th century, Portugal had to fight a war with Spain for succession, which caused immense damage. In 1828, a civil war broke out, and in 1910, a revolution ended the centuries-old monarchy. The country gained complete independence in 1974, after which civil wars and colonial rule ended. Today, the country lives in beauty and peace. The Portuguese have left a deep cultural, architectural, and linguistic impact on the world, a legacy of over 25 million Portuguese speakers worldwide. Esteemed viewers, this was our short and beautiful documentary on Portugal. How did you like it? Please share your thoughts in the comments. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and God bless you all.